everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Chat, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Lisa.
Hello, Lisa. Hello to all our lovely listeners. I'm Mark, and I'm very happy to be here with you today.
Mark, you sound full of energy today.
Yes, Lisa, because today's topic is something healthy and exciting.
That's right. In today's practice, we shall discuss how to talk about exercise in English.
Yes, easy fitness conversation for beginners.
These are easy lines you can use when speaking of workout, gym, games, or being fit.
Great for newbies who wish to talk with pals, kin, or even at the gym in English.
No need to fret. We will talk slow and clear.
Plus, we will repeat lines and give simple, true samples.
Let's start today's class. Okay, Mark, do you like exercise?
Yes, I do. I perform morning walks every day.
That's nice. What exercises do you prefer?
Walks, runs, and sometimes gym.
Good. Let us begin with common questions.
Common question. You exercise?
Yes, I work out every day.
Or, no, I do not work out much.
Other questions. What exercise do you perform?
I do yoga.
I play soccer.
I go to the gym.
I swim.
I ride my bicycle.
How many times do you work out?
Every day.
3 days a week.
1 time in a week.
Not much often.
Why do you work out?
To keep good health.
To shed pounds.
To feel strength.
To lower stress.
To get better sleep. Mark, good reasons. Now let's talk about morning exercise. I stretch for about 10 minutes.
I usually go for a run in the park.
I do jumping jacks.
I like to exercise in the morning because it gives me energy.
Yes, morning exercise is the best.
Afternoon exercise?
Sometimes I go to the gym after work.
Evening exercise?
I do yoga in the evening.
It helps me relax.
Good.
Now, talking about gym.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, twice a week.
What do you do there?
I lift weights.
I use the treadmill.
I do cardio.
I take group classes.
Zumba?
Yes, Zumba is fun.
I like weight training.
It makes me stronger.
Now, sports.
Do you play any sport?
Yes, I play cricket.
I play badminton.
I play basketball.
I play tennis.
With friends?
Yes, every weekend.
Fun.
Now talking about fitness goals.
What is your fitness goal?
I want to lose 5 kilograms.
I want to run 5 kilometers without stopping.
I want to build muscle.
I want to be more flexible.
Good goals.
How will you achieve it?
I will walk every day.
I will eat healthy.
I will go to the gym.
I will do yoga.
Consistency is important.
Yes.
Motivation helps start. Consistency helps finish.
True.
Now, common problems.
I feel lazy sometimes.
Me too.
How do you start?
I just put on my shoes.
Then I go out.
Small step.
Yes.
If you miss a day,
Don't worry.
start again tomorrow.
No guilt.
Good.
Now, role play. Talking with friend.
Hi, do you exercise?
Yes, I walk every morning.
Nice. How long?
30 minutes.
Good for health.
You?
I do yoga.
Great.
Want to join me sometime?
Sure.
Role play family.
Mom, I started running.
That's wonderful.
I want to be fit.
Proud of you.
Thank you.
Role play colleague.
You look fit these days.
Thanks. I started gym.
How often?
3 times a week.
Inspired.
You should join.
Maybe.
Pronunciation tips.
Exercise. Exercise.
Fitness. Fitness.
Gym. Gym.
Yoga. Yoga.
Repeat. I exercise every day.
I exercise every day.
Again.
I exercise every day.
Good.
Viewer practice.
Say, my favorite exercise is walking.
My favorite exercise is walking.
Your turn.
Challenge.
In comments, write your favorite exercise or sport in English.
Example, my favorite exercise is yoga.
Or, I like playing football.
We will read all.
Thank you for watching this episode.
You stayed till the end? That's consistency.
You are amazing.
God bless you.
See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Music fades a little. Before we go, one small request from our side.
If you enjoyed this episode on how to talk about exercise, please click the like button right now. It really helps us a lot.
And if you want more easy and fun English conversations every week, please subscribe to Daily English Chat and turn on the bell notification.
Don't forget to share this video with a friend who wants to talk about fitness or start exercising. You can motivate each other.
Thank you so much for being with us today. Keep practicing, keep moving.
We'll see you in the next episode. Stay healthy.
Bye-bye.